This is the start of my dream bucket list trip. It all starts right here in Leh. And a stop over to Nubra, taking you all the way to the Pangong Lake.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard.
Arriving to this place felt like arriving to another planet. Leh, the joint capital and largest town in the Union Territory of Ladakh. It is advised to take some rest at the day of your arrival, as this will help your body acclimatize to the climatic conditions of Leh. But the magnetic beauty of this place won't let you rest. The only possible way out for all the curious and impatient people like me, who can't resist themselves from exploring the place, is to check out some local attractions, or can visit the local Leh market. Leh market is one of the most busiest, most colorful places in Leh, where you can get everything imaginable from groceries to clothes. The market is divided by small lanes with sections dedicated to things such as handcrafts, clothes, food and souvenirs. Market's central location also facilitates easy trips to several nearby attractions such as the Leh Palace. This beautiful ancient fort overlooks the entire town of Leh from the face of a mountain. The architecture of the palace is inspired from the Patola Palace of Lhasa, making it a fine example of Tibetan architecture. The best part of wandering around this palace is actually the viewpoints from the rooftops. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear Ladakh? After exploring Leh town, at the end of the day, we were lucky enough to get to Himalayas. And on the next day, we started our journey to Nubra Valley via Khardungla. At an elevation of 5,359 meters above the sea level, Khardungla is claimed to be one of the world's highest motorable pass. The journey from Leh to the summit is just 40 kilometers. The challenge is not the distance, but the change in elevation. We'll be climbing about fucking 7,000 feet in this 40 kilometers. Finally, we were at the highest point of Khardungla top. 17,982 feet, literally on top of the world. Reaching here was itself a sense of achievement. It's true what they say. When road ahead seems impossible, start the engine. Ladakh is all about the journey and not the destination. The journey continues as we explore Nubra Valley and Turtuk village in the next episode.